wa ngiri mirongo ere na inya na giteo kinene njitikiria ngoroge kunyita ugeni guku kwa Muthingi TV mohoro-ini maitu ma hwaini muthenya wa umuthi na tauria ngikorio ngikwirira ati ona sherekia kwihanda mathaa ma hwaini tugukorwo tugitungana oro ringi ngumenyithia uria aandiki aitu a mohoro magitinda magituhaririria ngurehere riboti kuma county itiganite guku bũrũri-inĩ wa Kenya nginyagia riboti kuma nja wa itoka cia bũrũri tukurukia go nginya riboti cia mathako ni maingi maria andiki aitu a mohoro magitinda magituhariria na ngagukiririkania ati mohoro maya maitu turamamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nende cito ciothe cia ukinyaniria wathie kuria mwena wa Facebook ugutukora ku @Muthingi TV waikoroka kuria mwena wa YouTube ni @Muthingi TV na ni hingo ciothe ngikarira gitiki kio memerekia njitikaga wairimu wa Kimani. Haya na tukebiriria riboti cito cia muthenya wa umuthi ni ati mutongoria wa bũrũri Ndagĩtarĩ William Ruto muthenya wa umuthi ni anyitire ugeni atongoria kuma bũrũri-inĩ wa South Korea thingira-inĩ wa iregi wa muciĩ mũnene wa Nairobi kuria marĩrĩirie unyitanĩri makiria na kumatia ndugu gatagati ka mabũrũri maya merĩ. Ruto makiaria ni agwetete gĩtarũ kana gũtara South Korea kĩgomano-inĩ gĩa gũteithĩrĩria harĩ kumatia andu gukorwo gigithie na mbere kia gukinyaniria kuria bũrũri wa Africa Summit.
Africa to find out the Excellency's decision to participate in this summit meeting. It's shared goals, sustainability, so these are the main theme of the World Korea Africa Business Summit. I think this will provide a good opportunity for
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Nake munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Rigathi wa Gachagua ni oretie atongoria guthie na mbere hari kuhimbiria mutaratara wa waki wa nyumba cia raithi hari kaunti-inĩ ciothe 47 guku bũrũri-inĩ akiaria icera-inĩ ria guthurima nyumba cia raithi kuria kaunti-inĩ ya Embu. Gachagua ni augite ati mitaratara ino ni guteithĩrĩria mbeũ njithi aria matari na mawira. Oho Rigathi no athiete na mbere na tini ino akiuga no nginyagia gukorwo ikihuka kaimana. Ni riboti iria tukihaririirio ni mwandiki witu wa mohoro wa Njiro wa Maina.
Munini wa mutongoria wa bũrũri Rigathi wa Gachagua ni athingatĩte atongoria thirikari-inĩ ya William Ruto guthie na mbere na kuhimbiria mutaratara wa waki wa nyumba cia raithi guku bũrũri-inĩ.
Hii programu ya affordable housing na rais alieleza lengo lake ni mara mbili. One, watu wapate nyumba nzuri za kukaa. Lakini sana sana sikijengwa vijana wetu na wamama wapate ajira.
Akiaria hindi ya icera riake ria guthurima nyumba cia raithi mwena wa Majimbo kaunti-inĩ ya Embu, Gachagua ni augite ati nyumba ici ni iguteithĩrĩria mbeũ njithi aingĩ kuona ni mekugunĩka na mawĩra nĩguo kuhota kwĩrũgamĩrĩra mĩtũrĩre-inĩ.
Na kwa hivyo hii project tumefurahi sana. Ile ripoti imesomwa hapa na governor, ya wale wamama, ya wale vijana wamepata nafasi hapa ya kujitafutia ndio waweze kusomesha watoto wao, waweze kulea watoto wao. Tumeshukuru sana, and that is why this program is very important for this country. On top of providing shelter, decent shelter for our people in accordance with the Constitution, it is creating employment for our young people.
Harĩ kũhukia njohi thumu kaunti-inĩ ĩno ya Embu, Rigathi ni atũgĩrĩtie mũingĩ gũkũ kuona marĩ mũtaratara-inĩ wa mbere harĩ kũhũrana na njohi ici hamwe na ũhũthĩri wa dawa cia kulevya.
Na mimi nafurahi kwa sababu tumesema juzi ile pombe mbaya ilikuwa inaharibu watoto wetu, tumepigana naye. Unajua karibu tupate shida kubwa sana na hasara. Hao watu wetu mambo yao ilikuwa imeharibika. Ilikuwa unakuta kijana na ameoa juzi mrembo mzuri, amekuja mlevi, mama amelala juu ya kitanda, kijana analala chini ya kitanda. Haiko boma hapo. Sasa mambo yanakuwa mzuri, si ndio? We want a sober nation. Hawezi fanywa na watu ambaye wamekunywa pombe baya na wametumia madawa.
Mwena wake mũmbunge wa Kimilili Didmas Baraza ni augĩte thĩna mũnene ũrĩa bũrũri wa Kenya ũkoretwo ũkĩgerera nĩ wagi wa mawĩra na ũrĩa mũtaratara wa nyũmba cia raithi ni ũkũhingũrĩra mũingĩ makĩria mbeũ njĩthĩ mĩeke ya mawĩra.
The problem that we have in this country is unemployment. That is the challenge that we have in this country. And there are only two sectors that has the potential of employing millions of Kenyans. These sectors is the Juakali sector and agriculture. Affordable housing is one of the key pillars that enables the Juakali sector to absorb millions of Kenyans by offering them employment.
Ngiribotera Muthingi TV, rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Wanjirũ wa Maina.
Wa Maina nĩ ũndũ wa riboti ĩyo na ũrĩa wakĩrĩ mũikarĩri mũnene wa Museum Zalendo Kibunja hamwe na ekwĩrwo angĩ nĩ maraketio na mũigana wa ciringi milioni 5 o mũndũ thutha wa kũgũmĩrwo nĩ thitango ya ungumania. Ekwĩrwo aya makanĩte thitango iria maragĩkorwo magĩthitangwo nacio na kũrĩa cira ũyũ ũgagĩkorwo ũgĩthikĩrĩrio tarĩki 2 harĩ mweri wa June.
Each accused person may be released on a cash bail of Kenya shillings 5 million or a bond of Kenya shillings 10 million, one surety like amount. Number 2, each accused is hereby ordered to deposit his travel documents with the court. Number 3, upon disclosure, none of the accused persons should make any attempt to contact witnesses. Number 4, bond terms for accused number 4, 5, 6, 7, 3 and 8 are hereby consolidated. The matter shall now be mentioned on 2nd June 2024 before court number 1. May 2024 before court number 1 for pretrial conference. May.
We have agreed that he comes tomorrow. And then he was coming by invitation. He was not under arrest. There was no summon and there was no warrant. So we have reached an understanding that he comes tomorrow. We have agreed with the Anti-Corruption Commission to present Governor Wairia tomorrow at 8 a.m. in the morning to start the process. I think they have made the position clear that that process is going to end up in court. And we have agreed that they will hold their horses until we bring Governor Wairia here tomorrow morning.
Nake Minister Nyafara Dudune ya Maminista Musalia Mudavadi na ugĩte atĩ nĩ hakĩrĩ na bata wa gwetha kĩhonia kĩa naihenya nĩguo kũnina ngucanio iria ikoretwo igĩkwo kũrĩa bũrũri-inĩ wa Sudan kwa ihinda rĩa mĩaka mĩingĩ. Musalia Mudavadi ekoragia arĩ bũrũri-inĩ wa Paris na kũrĩa kuma na kĩgomano gĩa kũrehe ũrũmwe bũrũri-inĩ wa Sudan. Kũringana na Mudavadi, bũrũri wa Kenya ũrĩ mũhari-inĩ wa mbere harĩ kũrehe thayũ bũrũri-inĩ wa Sudan, rĩu agĩikia rĩtana kũrĩ atongoria a bũrũri ũyũ rĩa gũkorwo makĩrehe thayũ na ũiguano.
Kuja hapa kwa kongamano ambalo limeitishwa na taifa la Ufaransa wakishirikiana na Ujerumani na European Union. Na lengo lao ni kwamba sasa tarehe 15 2024 ni mwaka moja tangu fujo ianze kule Sudan. Na ulimwengu ulikuwa umesahau kwamba kuna shida kubwa katika Sudan. Tukizungumza saa hizi watu karibu milioni 9 hawana makao, wamefukuzwa, wengine wamekuwa wakimbizi katika nchi jirani. Na kule ndani pia kuna watu takribani milioni kama 23 ambao sasa wanaona kwa macho kwamba njaa inakuja, magonjwa yanakuja, kwa hivyo wana shida kabisa. Wako kwa ile tunaita humanitarian crisis. Na watu karibu 14,000 wameuawa kwa sababu ya ghasia ya wale ambao wanataka uongozi kwa njia ya kimabavu kule Sudan. Kwa hivyo kongamano hili lilikuwa la muhimu sana, kwa sababu ni lazima ulimwengu usipotelee tu kwa shida ambazo zinatendeka katika sehemu zingine kama kule Ukraine ama Gaza, na wanasahau kwamba kuna shida kubwa sana katika bara la Afrika, katika taifa la Sudan. Watoto wengi hawaendi kwa mashule na kadhalika. Kwa hivyo Kenya imeungana na mataifa mengine, na hapo umeona hata rais wa Ufaransa akija kuzungumza kwa kongamano hili, na tumekuja hapa, wametoa uwezo, yani commitments ama pledges, na sisi kama Kenya, ingawa hatungeweza kufanya kiasi kama wale wengine, lakini tunaonyesha umoja wetu wa Kiafrika, kusema kwamba serikali ya Kenya ama watu wa Kenya kupitia kwa serikali watasaidia taifa la Sudan kwa mambo ya humanitarian support ya dola milioni 1. Hii ni symbolism, ni kuonyesha kwamba sio kikubwa, lakini nia ni nini, na nia yetu ni kuhakikisha kwamba tunataka amani pale. Hatutaki fujo izidi ya
kurumbirira mugomo kana migomo ya arigitani irekoretwo igithi na mbere guku bururi-ini wa Kenya gucungiriria arwaru gukorwo magitangika. Riu mubunge wa Kagema Peter Kihungi nikitie retana kuri arigitani othe makiria guku kaunti-ini ya Murang'a gukorwo magicokereria wira-ini wao, akeria ri thukuru-ini wa kothi cia moko wa micuki hindi ya urigitani utari marihi wa maitho ari ta njira imwe ya kuririkana mutigaire John Micuki. Kihungi ni oritie thirikari gukorwo ikigia na miario ya iguana gatagati kao na madagitari niguo gutigirira ati mihango ya urigitani ni yacokereria guku bururi-ini wa Kenya.
We have come to celebrate a friendship of two gentlemen, the late R.L. Shah and the late John Njoroge Michuki, two gentlemen who were born the same year in 1932 and also left to be with the Lord the same year in 2012. The two friends, apart from being friends, also did business together, and the family of R.L. Shah, in remembrance of their activities in Murang'a district, Murang'a County, have decided to come here and oversee and sponsor a camp, an ENT and eye camp, ear, nose and throat camp. And this camp today will screen up to 1,000 people, some of whom will then be taken to Thika for an operation, those who need an operation. We want to call upon Kenyans to also embrace this spirit of collaboration over time through friendship that has brought us here today, and that will see, hopefully, some people here being treated.
Mine is to request our doctors, we just beseech them. Our people are dying, people are suffering a lot, and because the interns have understood, because already 1,200 have applied, they just sit with the government, they have a return to work formula. Furthermore, yesterday I told the speaker, just take the initiative, sit with the doctors and draft a return to work formula. That's only what they want, so that we can now relieve our people from the pain they are going through.
Shida ni nyingi sana, kwa sababu hata ukienda kula hospitalini huwezi kutibiwa na shida nyingi sana. Ukikosa kutibiwa unakwenda private ama hospitali ya wenyewe. Kwa hivyo ni biashara yao wenyewe ambayo wanapata faida, na wakati mwingine hatuna pesa.
Na hau niho tugukorwo tukioya kamweke ga gwikiria ndugathi haraya nituragicokereria na maingi.
University of Nairobi is a distinguished institution of higher learning dedicated to nurturing your intellectual curiosity and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. From state-of-the-art arches to modern libraries equipped with the latest resources, we provide you with the tools you need to succeed. Choose from a wide range of programs designed to prepare you for challenges of tomorrow's world. Whether in STEM, humanities, business, or the arts, our strong industry connections and career service support will help you translate your education into meaningful career opportunities upon graduation. Join a vibrant community of scholars from around the world, fostering cultural exchange, collaboration, and lifelong friendships. Book your space now for September intakes. Log in to https://www.uonbi.ac.ke for a wide range of courses to choose from. You can also contact +254 020 491 0000 or email us at pr@ounbi.ac.ke.
Hihi ni uramenya uria Zenawi Real Estate icenjetie miturire ya Akenya aingi gukinyaniria iroto ciao. Na riu turakurehera Juja Gardens Phase 6 na iria iri mwena wa Juja tugakwenderia muigana wa ciringi 850,000. Migunda ino iri na ready title deed. Kiria urafatara no kuriha gicunje kia 30% hari eka imwe ukegira na bloti. Ririkana migunda ino iri na mai, thitima na farafara njega. Ni undu wa uhoro makiria tucerere mwena wa Ruiru Gitwamba Plaza, second floor, kana utuhurire thimu namba nio 0794880000. Namba ya thimu ni 0774948888. Kifugu. Pata title uitwe bosi.
Aya nĩ twagicokereria ririkana turamemerekia imwe kwa imwe nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria kũrĩa mwena Facebook nĩ @Muthingi TV, YouTube ni @Muthingi TV. Na tugithie na mbere ni ati thirikari nene ni irikitie kwanirira mawatho na mitaratara mieru hari sekta-ini ya mahiũ kuria mutaratara uyu uria uhaririirio ni Minister wa ugitiri wa thiini ugukorwo ugikuruhania Ministry ya urimi wa mahiũ, Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri hamwe na thirikari ciothe cia county. Akiaria ari kuria cukuru wa Kenya School of Government, mwandiki mukaru wa ugitiri wa thiini Raymond Omolo augite ati ni gukoretwo na wongerereku wa woici wa mahiũ kwa ihinda iraya na oro hamwe na wendia wa indo ciria ciumanaga na mahiũ.
Gwĩkũĩrwo kwa wendia wa nyama cia bunda ona thengia wa thirikari gwĩkĩra mũkana wa wendia wa nyama ici bũrũri-inĩ mwaka wa 2020 nĩ ũtumũrĩte mawoni ngũrani kuma kũrĩ mũingĩ, ũndũ ũrĩa ũcũngĩrĩirie thirikari kwanĩrĩra mawatho na mĩtaratara sekta-inĩ ya mahiũ. Mũtaratara ũyũ wa kũgathĩka mawatho sekta-inĩ ya mahiũ ũharĩrĩirio nĩ Ministry ya ũgitĩri wa thĩinĩ ĩnyitanĩire na Ministry ya ũgima wa mwĩrĩ, Ministry ya mahiũ hamwe na thirikari ya county.
Of consumption of donkey meat has raised concern about the origin of these animals, despite the government having banned the slaughter of donkeys in 2020 and rendering the designated abattoirs non-operational. Now, as key stakeholders in this sector, you are aware about the pattern of livestock theft, and it's unfortunate that such incidents have not only lost livestock, but has also led to loss of lives and livelihoods.
Kiari ari Kenya School of Government mwandiki mukaru wa ugiteri wa thiini Raymond Omoro augite ati kumana na wongerereku wa wici wa mahiu wendia wa indo iria ciumanaga na mahiu itathurimitwo ni undu uria ucungireirie kurugurio kwa mutaratara wa 100 days rapid response.
Security of our food supply is therefore critical so that we are able to protect public health and the overall food economy. Now, to counter these threats, securing the entire food chain from production to consumption becomes crucial for our national security, and the onus is on us who are here today to ensure that we secure this space. Earlier this year, a directive was issued to enforce existing rules and regulations in the livestock sector, and today we will be beginning that RRI.
Omoro nekiteritana kuri makomishona a county ne gukoro makirutithania wira na maafitha borithi, ndagitari cia mahiu, maafitha a DCI, maafitha a county a ugima wa mwiri niguo gukoro makigacirithia sector ya mahiu bururi-ini.
Commissioners are expected to establish the multi-agency teams that are composed of all the players from the National Police Service, including the DCI, the NIS, the National Government Administration Officers, the County Public Health Officers, our colleagues within the veterinary services, and to also be able to co-opt other relevant regulatory.
Fotera Muthingi TV, Gitoa Boy wa Mugo.
Naguo wagagu ni umirite utuko wa gukia umuthi thutha wa aikari a itura ria Kiambu gukuni county ya Kiambu ukora muti wa mugumo ite undu uria uhingireirie barabara ya kuma Kanunga guthie nginya kuria Banana guthukangia waya cia thitima o hamwe na kumomora thingo cia nyumba imwe cia aikari a guku. Athuri a rurere rwa Gikuyu nimegwikinyiririe niguo gutabania magongona ma guthaitha muti uyu niguo uhote gugitinio. Kuringana na athuri aya a Gikuyu nimaugite ati gitumi kiria gicungiririe muti uyu kugwa ni gikiro kiria kiumanaga na takataka iria ikoretwo igiteo hakuhi na muti uyu.
Wagagu ni umirite utuku wa gukia muthi thutha wa aikari a itura ria Kiambu county ya Kiambu kora muti wa mugumo uwite undu uria uhingire barabara ya kuma Kanunga guthie Banana guthukangia waya cia thitima o hamwe na kumomora thingo cia nyumba. Athuri a rurere rwa Gikuyu ni rwekinyirie niguo gutabania magongona ma guthaitha muti uyu niguo uhote gutinio.
Atumia itobayo ndio na nginya ciana cirio haha itiguo ndenda o mwana ainuke oraku
igana na athuri aya a Gikuyu nimaugite gitumi kiria gicungiririe muti uyu kugwa ni giko kiria kiumanaga na takataka iria iteagwo hakuhi na muti uyu.
Na watu walikuwa wanatupa taka, na hiyo ni jambo moja inaweza kuwa ndio ilifanyika. Ni kama vile hatuwezi kwenda kutupa takataka zetu kwa zile kanisa tuko nazo. Kwa hivyo pia sababu hii ni miti imepewa heshima kutoka wazazi na jamii zetu za zamani.
Ona gukiri uguo hatire mundu ona umwe uguraririe.
Tukaomba sana Mungu atusamehe, na vile tumekuja wote na tukaona vile iko, tukasema hii ni mapenzi ya Mwenyezi Mungu sababu hakuna mtu ameumia.
Athuri aya ni maikitie ritana kuri aikari a itura riri kwaga gutumira ngo ici cia muti uyu otiga atumia aria mena miaka 70 na guthie na iguru.
Msijaribu kuni hizi zitakatakatwa vizuri sana ili hata unaweza kubeba, lakini usije kubeba. Waacha sikae mahali zitawekwa zote mpaka siosee hapo. Kama hakuna mama ako na miaka 80, 90 ama 90 asije. Wewe kama ni mdogo, tafuta njia zako za kutafuta kuni. Kama ulikuwa na namna ulikuwa unatumia, tafuta njia hiyo, lakini ya mgomo usijaribu kukaribia. Ninamuomba msikubali kuigusa. Uyose hapo hata kama ni miaka ngapi.
Athuri aya ni maugire muti uyu uguire eta wendi wa Ngai niguo andu macokerere Ngai.
Mwenyezi Mungu labda ianguke ili watu warudie Mungu, sababu hii ni jambo moja ya kuonyesha labda watu walikuwa wamemwachilia. Hata uchafu ile ilikuwa inawekwa hapa kwa hii miti tumeiona, na mudhamaki ameomba hii maneno.
Fuatira Muthingi TV, njitagwo Joshua Njuguna.
Aya rĩu tũgũthĩka kũrĩa kaunti-inĩ ya Kirinyaga na kũrĩa makĩria ma family inya itũũra-inĩ rĩa Kĩrĩmunge Kirinyaga ya gatagatĩ matigĩtwo matarĩ na ũikaro thutha wa nyũmba ciao kũhatwo nĩ maĩ ma mbura ĩrĩa ĩraire ĩkiura. Kũringana na aikari aya kana mo magĩkorirwo magĩtahwo nĩ mbura ta Grace Kĩhara nĩ atarĩirie atĩ mathaa-inĩ ma thaa mũgwanja cia ũtukũ nĩguo akorirwo akĩigua maĩ ma mbura magĩitĩkĩra nyũmba, na thutha ũcio nyũmba yakorwo ĩkĩhatwo nĩ mbura, rĩu agĩetha gwa kũrara gũkũ agĩkĩarĩtana kũrĩ thirikari ya kaunti gũkorwo ĩkĩmũteithĩrĩria kuona atĩ family ici itinahota gũthara ona kĩcia nyũmba yao.
Grace Jerry Kĩbara kuma itũũra-inĩ rĩa Kĩrĩmunge gĩcigo-inĩ mbunge gĩa Kirinyaga ya gatagatĩ ũmũthĩ ndoĩ harĩa agĩkũrara thutha wa nyũmba yake kũhobanĩrio nĩ maĩ ma mbura na yagwa.
Thaa mũgwanja cia ũtukũ nĩrĩo nyũmba ĩyo ĩrakorirwo nĩ maĩ ĩragwa, ndĩrauma ndĩrathiĩ kũboya toro, ndĩratiga indo ici ingĩ kũu, rĩu agũtĩ kĩndũ kĩngĩ oeka kũu nginya ngũkũ ciũrĩire o kũu.
Kũringana na Grace, mathaa-inĩ ma thaa mũgwanja cia ũtukũ arĩ toro nĩguo maĩ ma mbura ĩrĩa yuma nene maingĩrire nyũmba-inĩ, na kĩrĩa kĩrũmĩrĩire nĩ nyũmba yake kũgwa, akĩhinyĩrĩrio gwetha ũraro kwa mũirwe.
Coka ndĩrokĩra rĩu ndĩragwata njĩra, ndĩrarauka mũrengeti, ndĩrathiĩ nako na gũkũ kwa mũiru wakwa, ndĩrathiĩ ndĩrarumia ndirica matekũigua. Rĩu nĩrĩo maracokire maranjigua marambingũrĩra, ndĩrakoma kũu ũguo. Indo ici ingĩ ciothe ndĩratigire o gũkũ, gũtirĩ kĩndũ na kĩmwe ndĩrabotire kũthara.
Francis Mũrĩmi no mũikari wa itũũra rĩrĩ, na hathara o ta ĩno nĩyo atũngiri akiuga rĩrĩ ti rita rĩa mbere marahobanĩrio nĩ mũtino ta ũyũ, kuona barabara-inĩ ĩno mwene kandarathi nĩ aregire kwenja mĩtaro ya gũte maĩ ma kĩguo.
Ũtukũ ira mbura nĩ ĩrurire, yura ĩroka maĩ maroba road drainage maringĩra na gũkũ ũguo maroka maratũmomorera nyũmba. This case nĩ ngeranĩte kũgerania nayo from 2018 ndĩmũthia obici ya DC bingwa DC etwo Mr. Ndege agoka tweka mũcemanio nake haba ECC twari nake ũkorwo ndamũgĩrĩte agoka haba tweka mũcemanio no after maũndũ macio mothe gũtũtĩrĩ twona solution.
Aikari a itũũra rĩrĩ maugĩte ona ciana matiũĩ mekũroria nakũ, irio iria mũndũ aigĩte nyũmba-inĩ ciothe nĩ ithũkangĩtio na iria marahandĩte nĩ ihatĩtwo nĩ kĩguo.
Mbembe na mboco ciathũka, nĩ aragũrĩte kamũcere ga kũrĩa kana kokothe nĩ kathũkire, koguo rĩu ona mũgũnda no mũiyũro wa maĩ iria tũrabandĩte ciothe nĩ ithikanirio.
Chifu wa itũũra rĩrĩ Edward Kĩmotho nĩ orĩtie family ici gwetha kũndũ kũngĩ gwa gũikara nĩguo gwĩthemana na hathara makĩria iria ingĩcũngĩrĩrio nĩ mbura nene ĩrĩa ĩrathiĩ na mbere gũthandana mwena ũyũ.
Nĩ tũkũria andũ arĩa othe me thĩinĩ wa area iria ciothe itikarĩte wega, tondũ kwĩ area tũrona nĩ kũ-affectwo nĩ mbura nĩ ũndũ wa ũrĩa cikarĩte. Nĩ wega mathame na thirikari tũramonia ũrĩa megwĩka nĩgetha tũtikagĩe na gĩkuo na kĩmwe gĩkuoneka nĩ ũndũ wa mbura, tũkĩmenyaga area iria marĩte area njega, koguo nĩ tũmerĩte tũkamera mathame.
Mũmbunge wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ Gacoki Gĩtare nĩ akinyĩirie family ici ũteithio wake, akiuga no marathiĩ na mbere gwetha njĩra cia kũgirĩrĩria maũndũ ta maya.
Thiĩ na mbere kũrũgama na aikari a Kĩrĩnyaga Central bandũ bothe marũma na kũmagitĩra barĩa bothe kũbota, agacoka akori aikari ake a Kĩrĩnyaga Central matuĩke ma kwĩmenyerera mũno ibinda rĩrĩ kwĩna mbura nene mũno ĩraura, tondũ maĩ nĩ marauna ona matwarĩrwo drainage ĩrĩa yagĩrĩire nĩ maratuĩka ma kuna na makathi mĩciĩ-inĩ itũ.
Handũ-inĩ ha Muthingi TV, Ndetwo Kĩngori wa Gatundu.
Tukiume mwena ũcio wa Kirinyaga tukorwo tukĩingĩra kũrĩa mwena wa Samburu na kũrĩa kũrũmĩrĩra ũhaguku kana ũgarũrũku wa rĩera ũrĩa ũragĩthiĩ na mbere. Thirikari ya kaunti ya Samburu nĩ hete arĩmi hiyo awadi cia ndoto na ngiro ngamira mirongo kenda na kuringana na gavana wa kaunti ya Samburu Lati neugite ati ngamira ici ni hotete gutoria riua oro hamwe ire na iria riria riguteithiriria aikari aguku.
Doing this camel distribution. Ngamia tunapeana kwa sababu ya maneno ya climate change. Vile climate change imeingia dunia na inasumbua mpaka mvua ile ilikuwa inapatikana, siku hizi hatujui inapatikana lini na kukosekana lini. Ndio unaona tunapeana ngamia kwa sababu ngamia ni mnyama ambaye inaweza kaa hata wakati hakuna mvua, ndio watoto waweze kupata maziwa, wamama waweze kupata maziwa, watu wazee waweze kupata maziwa, kwa sababu wazee na watoto na wamama hawezani kuandamana na ng'ombe wakati ng'ombe inaenda malishoni mahali mbalimbali. Na ndio unaona hii kazi tutaendelea. Tumepeana ngamia 950 mwaka huu. Hii ndio ya mwisho sasa. Hii ya Ndoto na ya Nyiro ambayo tutaanza kupeana mwaka mwingine kutoka mwezi wa 9, na tunaendelea hivyo mpaka wakati tutajua watu wetu wanaweza jidumu wakati ya jilali, wakati ya kuna mvua, ndio watoto wetu wasikose maziwa wenye wanahitaji wakiwa watoto wadogo na wazee na mama wengine. So hiyo mpango inaendelea hivyo, na sisi tumeamua kama kaunti kuwa hii ndio kazi na hii kazi yetu, ng'ombe na ngamia na kila kitu yenye tunapeana katika serikali, wananchi wenyewe ndio wanachagua nani anachukua, nani anabaki achukue next year, achukue hiyo mwaka mwingine. Hakuna kitu serikali yetu inachagua katika maofisi. Kila kitu inafanyika chini ya miti kwa wananchi. Hao wenyewe ndio wanajua nani anapata, nani hapati mwaka huu, atapata hiyo mwaka mwingine.
Kwa sababu ya county government, gavana wangu Lelit kwa kutupatia ngamia kwa sababu ya climate change. Tunashukuru kwa sababu ya gavana, kwa sababu ama county government, kwa sababu ameona hii climate change imelete shida. Kuna mali kama ng'ombe hawezani na hii ukame, na akaona fadhali atuletee ngamia, and that's why sasa tumekuwa na hii ngamia tumeletewa, na tumepata hata ngamia mingi leo. Hatujaipata ngamia kiasi. Mimi nashukuru gavana wangu sana kwa sababu ametuongezea ngamia.
Kwa hiyo tunasema kwamba hii ni shukrani kubwa sana kwa county government yetu ya Samburu County kwa kutuletea ngamia kiasi ambayo hivi majuzi tu ama wakati zilizopita ilikuwa ni ngamia chache, lakini kwa wakati huu tumeongezewa na ikawa 115.
Na murorere witu ho niho tugukorwo tukiwa kamweke kangi ga gwikiria ndugathi hara ni turacokereria.
Ndathomire secondary ngirikia gicoka ndarerwo ngiuma hau ngithie ngika kothi ya electrical wireman. Ndeka electrical wireman niguo ndambirie gwetha tuwira twa thitima. Ndoka guku kihunguro uguo ri ndokire ngiamba kwandikwo kuruga cabaci haria ha mundu ugwitwo Wambu kana Captain Hotel. Hau no ndarugaga cabaci, gicoka ngitiga wira ucio ngithie haria mbere niho ndahingurire ka kibandaski kau kafuri niko gaciarite tent ino tondu itangiakiririe actually kuuraga ngetha ndiga kohana higa kona na kona nigetha ndikarus customer uria wa hwaini
mundu wa kwandikite agwitire mwana okio mundu ni anyihia muno
ajetire ngimuria mwana kinjino ndafatire gwitwo mwana ufatire gwitwo mwana mwireri hau niho ritwo mwireri riumire.
Nao aikari kuma Kitengela kaunti-ini ya Machakos nimathite na mbere gutetia mai magiko maria makorirwo magitio barabara-ini mai maya makoretwo makihingũrĩrwo mathaa-inĩ ma ũtukũ na gukorwo magithie nyũmba-inĩ cio kũringana na mũrũgamĩrĩri wa gĩcigo kĩa ũmbunge kĩa mwena ũyũ wa Kajiado ya irathĩro Bruce Likama nĩaugĩte atĩ mai maya magĩko nĩ makoretwo magithie na mbere matharĩrĩtie ũgima wa mwĩrĩ wa mwena wa mũingĩ wa mwena ucio.
Leo tuko hapa, hii ni sehemu ya Kitengela ambapo kumekuwa ni notorious kwa mambo ya ku-release sewage. Hizi nyumba mbili ambazo ziko nyuma yangu na zingine kadha wa kadha hapa zimekuwa ziki-release sewage to the public. To an extent hata wana-release mchana hata venye mumeona. Wana-release raw sewage kwa barabara, hata pale hivi wameharibu hiyo barabara ya service lane, imekata lami. Na ile hatua ambayo tumeweza kuchukua ni kwamba tuliwaandikia notice waweze kutumia exhauster ku-exhaust sewage zao na waache ku-release kwa barabara ama kwa public. Definitely we are foreseeing a situation whereby cholera and many other diseases will be rampant around because of what is happening. People releasing sewer freely, even on daytime, without fear. They are just pumping their raw sewage to the road. We are trying to mitigate it. We are trying to sensitize people not to do that. We are trying to caution them that the government is aware of what some individuals, crooks do around, and so we will certainly take serious measures of taking them to court if they will not stop what they are doing. Kwa sasa wakati wa mvua ndio nyumba mingi hapa Kitengela huwa zinaachilia sewage. Zinaachilia sewage wakati kuna maji ya mvua. Usiku hapa kukinyesha tu kidogo, nyumba zote hapa ziko na pump, wanaweza kupump hiyo sewage outside, na kwa hivyo hiyo definitely ni hatari kubwa kwa mambo ya magonjwa. Inaweza eneza magonjwa mengi na magonjwa hatari.
Teo ya Kitengela nio igukorwo igitwehereria kuma riboti shesha mohoro tukorwo tukiingira kuria iharo-ini citu na kuria munene wa Hussein Mohamed ni aretie thutha wa betika gatagati ka Ithumala na Kitui FC na kuria Ithumala FC ni marahotire Kitui FC kwa bao igire wa kifugo. Mohamed ni oretie mbeu njithi gukorwo ikinyita betika-ini ngurani na oho agikorwo agikia aretana kuri anyiti itemi ngurani gukorwo makinyitirira miharo ngurani guku bururi-ini.
I'm very excited to be here in Kitui today. Tumeona mchezo ambayo imesisimua zaidi. I'm very happy for the turnout, huge turnout today at the Super 8 at 20 finals ya Kitui edition. I think this is a testament to what grassroots football can be. And the passion of the fans, the players, the organizers is undoubtable. I mean, it's been sponsors want to support football. But majority of the corporates out there are asking, what is their value? What is the value they're getting out of supporting soccer in this country? And I think the foundation of that would have to be, of course, integrity, accountability, and transparency in whatever it is that we do in football. Ask themselves, if we put in 1 shilling into football, what is the value that we extract out of it? And unless we can quantify that value, unless we can show the corporate world that there is a benefit in supporting grassroots football and football in general, we will not be able to achieve our full potential. So I'm very excited with the outcome here today. I'm very excited with the turnout. I'm very happy with the organizers of this event. Kelly and his team, the SG of FKF, has done a wonderful job, and I'm very, very grateful for the work that they have done. So mine is to say hongera to the winning team. And we are hoping that in the next coming months we will be able to have better editions. We'll be able to invest a little bit more in this area, and I'd like to urge the local government and the local leadership to also help us by building the right infrastructure. We need good stadiums, we need facilities that can enable the clubs to sort of generate revenue or generate income for themselves.
Engagement of the youth, and we had purpose to engage our local youth through this tournament so that we can educate them and highlight issues that affect their lives in terms of economic empowerment and financial literacy, and also the doping and anti-doping menace, so that they can know the value of shunning away from drugs and substance abuse. And one way of getting this multitude of youth and even the homogeneous composition of the locals is through sports, and one of the biggest sports. We know about change of leadership. Change is necessary when it is good, right? So we're looking forward to Football Kenya Federation elections. I've offered myself as a candidate for the chairmanship because we need people who are oriented to what they are leading people in, people who have experience, have vast experience in football for the last 25 years. And I think I'm in a position to determine what our teams need in order to grow and develop even the young talents that we are bringing to life today.
Nao andiki a mohoro na nyitiriri a bitika guku bururi-ini wa Kenya ni magunĩkĩte na kithomo kia wĩingĩ kuma kuri ataramu a bengi ya Absa iria ihurĩte njeki mahenya ma Kipkeino Classic maria magagĩthakĩrwo kĩharo-inĩ kia Nyayo Stadium. Andiki a mohoro rungu rwa kĩama kia andiki a mohoro na mathako SJAC ni mararutirwo njĩra nyeni cia wandiki na ũtangathi wa mohoro ma Kipkeino Classic.
Sports have a big role to play in building that fabric, and we recognize that as a brand, and we recognize the positive role that sports play in forming the communities where we operate. And because we operate in those communities and we need license to operate in those communities, we therefore have to align ourselves with things that are dear to the people that we work with. Sports is important for people who build brands. It speaks to things that people connect with, and for us as a bank, we recognize this. We recognize the role that the sports have in connecting us to the audiences that we want to connect.
Today we are very excited to have this kind of workshop between Absa Bank and SJAC, Sports Journalists Association of Kenya. It has been very fruitful. One, we were educated about financial literacy. As I said during my presentation, one of the major problems we face as sports journalists is that we don't have the financial literacy. Sometimes we make a lot of money when we are still working in the newsrooms, but when redundancy comes, about a year or two, you find guys going into depression because they didn't save well.
Aya na tukiingira hari riboti cia mbitika cia gĩbũrũri kuria kĩrabu gĩa China FC ni marandĩkithirie rekodi thutha wa gũbunga kĩrabu gĩa Suka Original kwa bao ĩmwe gwa gĩbũgũ. Mbitika ici iratabanĩrio kĩharo-inĩ kĩa Sheikh Amri Abeid Memorial kuria mwena wa Arusha.
Coming kuna kapati kidogo kwa ushindi hizi vikombe zetu viwili. Kwa hiyo kitambi noma bonanza ni ya kuunganisha watu wako 35 and above, wale wazoefu wale walikuwa wameshacheza bola hapo mbeleni. Inakutanisha nchi kadhaa hapo za East Africa, inachezewa Arusha. Tulienda last season sisi tulikuwa number 4, sasa tulikuwa number 1 kutoka Kenya. Then tukacheza na defending champion, tukawashinda, tukapata hii ilikuwa Charity Shield, then tukashinda hii kikombe kwa hiyo tournament. So sasa sisi ndio ma defending champions.
Na nikuulize tu labda hiyo community shield ilikuwa namna gani, kushinda timu gani, na pia hii ya first winners kushinda timu gani? Hii
haikuwa rahisi. Timu tulicheza nayo ndio imekuwa inachukua hiyo kikombe, ndio inatawagalaga hiyo tournament. Kwa hivyo haikuwa rahisi. Round hii tulienda tumejipanga na tulienda tukawashinda. Ilisha 3-2, haikuwa rahisi.
Haya, na riboti iyo ya bitika cia kimabũrũri niyo igukorwo igitwikira gaturumo mohoro maitu ma hwaini wa umuthi. Joe kamweke kagugucokeria ngatho ni we gwetikira gutwana ithuĩ kuma rĩrĩa twambĩrĩirie mohoro maya maitu nginyagia rĩu. Njokerie ngatho aria othe tũgĩkorwo tũgĩnyitanĩra nao kũrĩa nenda-inĩ citũ cia ũkinyanĩria, aria magĩkorwo magĩtũma ndũmĩrĩri ciao kũrĩa mwena wa Facebook. Njokerie ngatho aria othe twakinyitanĩra nao gũkũ mwena wa studio, aria magĩtigĩra atĩ mohoro maya maitũ nĩ makorwo magĩgũkinyĩra na njĩra ĩrĩa ĩbacĩrĩkĩte. Mambĩrĩirio nĩ andĩki aitũ othe a mohoro na producer wakwa mũndũ gwĩtwo Wambui wa Jaotael niwe uma director wakwa, Aizo niwe kuma kũrĩa mwena wa graphics, Desmond niwe uma mũndũ witũ wa camera, kũrĩa mwena wa social media mũndũ ũrĩa wagĩtigĩra atĩ mohoro maya maitũ nĩ wakorwo ũkĩamamũkĩra nenda-inĩ citũ ciothe cia ũkinyanĩria Facebook na YouTube nĩ kairĩtu gegwĩtwo Jacinta, na kũrĩa mwena wa transmission tuma na mũndũ ũgwĩtwo Wathĩkanie. Hingo ciothe njĩtĩkaga Wairimu wa Kĩmani nginya tũgagĩcemania rĩngĩ mũthenya wa rũciũ. Ngwendithĩrie ũtukũ mwega, bye bye.
Gukenari ni aria mari na kieha ni gukorwo ni makaninirwo kieha ni undu wa gucakaya na aria matigitwo ni endwa ao. Riu ceceni ya Muthingi TV ni irakweka mweke ga gutangathithia kimenyithia kia mwendwa waku